Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to block pop-up and ads in Safari in iPhone and iPad in any iOS version. So without any further delay, let's start. First of all, connect to Wi-Fi or mobile or cellular data, then launch App Store and search for Block. This is the Safari extension and no need to download any kind of software. You just tap to get and within a second you will get this extension. Now we have to tap on open. Block. Ad blocking is unable. You are all set. I already set it. So what we have to do when we tap on open or when we download this ad blocker in your iPhone, we have to go to settings, scroll fine and tap on Safari, and under Safari we have to tap on extensions and enable block, and you will block all the pop-up and ads in Safari during searching or working on Safari. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.